At RS Pro, we're constantly thinking about ways that we can make remote monitoring easier for you. We've been thinking a lot lately, and we'd like to introduce you to ProMote, our new cloud-based temperature and humidity monitoring and data logging platform. The ProMote uses Wi-Fi to send its readings to the EasyLog cloud. Multiple ProMotes across a number of locations can be used with a single account. When in the cloud, data is securely stored and can be accessed from anywhere in the world on a computer, smartphone or tablet. Our simple app connects ProMote to your Wi-Fi network in minutes. Once set up, ProMote uses the cloud to send you instant notifications of alarms by email, as well as providing a local audible and visual alert. IP67 weather sealing provides protection against the elements for outdoor use, whilst ProMote's battery allows up to 2 years of monitoring. But what really sets ProMote apart is its absolute flexibility. Whatever you need to measure, ProMote has an option to meet your requirements, whether you need to measure 1 or even 2 things at the same time. Do you need to monitor the temperature on the inside and outside of an enclosure? No problem. Use a dual-channel ProMote with 2 cable probes. Or maybe you want to ensure you maximise your crop yield. Simply connect Temperature and Humidity Smart Probe and start monitoring. Need to monitor something entirely different? There are a multitude of ProMotes to choose from, suitable for measuring temperature and humidity in a wealth of indoor and outdoor environments. Visit www.rspro.com to find out more.